what's good, Lords FX? What's good, what's good? I hope you had a good Memorial Monday. Or bank holiday, US bank holiday. I'm in Canada, so I don't keep too close with it, but what's good, David? What's up? Good morning, good morning. Hopefully my voice isn't too loud or too quiet. Let me know. Maybe music's too loud. It feels even too loud to me. Okay. If it's too loud for me, it's probably most definitely too loud for you guys. I'm not in the US, but yeah, today's great. And her voice is like he just woke up. Yeah, I don't know why my voice is a little cooked this morning. I'm not sick though. I hope not, actually. I'll wait for more people to join up and I'll do a quick rundown of what I'm thinking. Maybe like 9:20, 9:25 before equities. Give it a second. Yeah, no, I actually woke up like an hour ago, so I had a little bit of time. I was just like reading and getting my morning started, so. If you don't mind me asking, where you based, Lords FX? Game plan. Most likely. So right now, I'm kind of just looking. I know I have this like premium discount marked out, but I am sort of looking more like higher time frame bullish. But on an intraday level, we could see a sweep of sell side before going higher. But that's just my general read on today. I'm paying attention to this for our true market structure shift. See if it's disrespected, inverted, respected, and then reversed. You know, but I would want to. So it's like pretty much the same game plan as Friday, where I'd like to wait until a volatility injection to be able to clear up price, to make it painfully obvious for me, because it's not painfully obvious for me right now. But I am on a higher time frame, leaning bullish. So if you look on the daily chart, it looks like we can have a nice, like, complete this market make a buy. If you go on even higher, right, just right here, market structure shift, put a consolidation, accumulation, right? And then preferably, you know, finish up this same draw I have. Yeah, exactly. Good stuff. But that's on like a higher time frame level, so I'm just gonna wait. I don't have full clarity. Yeah, I have this marked out as a point of interest as well, because there's a 5-minute model for me. So if it goes all the way down here below Asia, then I would be looking for, and it respects like one of these inefficiencies, then I'd be looking for a long into probably Asia, something along the lines of that. But I'll just wait for price to clear up. But that is my game plan. Pretty chill, pretty slow. Just gonna wait for clarity. I wouldn't take anything without clarity. If something is clear to you and it's according to your plan, take it, you know? But if it's not, you know, take your hands off. Chill out. Let's see. I may trade silver bullet time. Okay, yeah. I actually have never. I've watched a silver bullet video, but I've never really gone to silver bullet. But I might, like. I feel like when you use SMTs and just, I mean, everyone's looking at the same price at the end of the day, right? Everyone's looking at the same chart at the end of the day, so I feel like there's definitely different models at play when there's a move happening. Yeah, nothing's clear. Boom, 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 boom. Maybe I kind of want to put on some EDM, but I'll put on some EDM at like maybe 10 or 9:30 or something. It's a little too early for EDM. I was putting some chill music. Let's do that. Tomorrow, yeah, should be. Let's see. Let me pull it out. Let me see if you guys see the screen. Let me know if you guys see the screen. You should be able to see the screen. This is the news this week. I think you guys should be able to see this. I sure hope so. Because I just have screen capture. Oh yeah, you guys can see that. Cool. Sorry, my stream was a bit delayed. Or on my screen, sorry. Let me, here. I'll just do it, nice little. Oh, actually, does it really matter if it's... yeah, let's see if this, my higher time frame bullish idea is already playing out. But, oh, there's no idea, sorry, but like the narrative is just moving. But if it doesn't, I don't have a model, so I'm not gonna take anything. I can close this now. Okay. Or maybe I like put it on put it here on ES. Actually, you know what? I'll put it on YM because I'm a YM hater. I'm sorry if you're hearing this, but I'm a YM hater. I'll use it to cover YM. And just set on higher time frame. At least 5 minute. Well, actually, let me set 15 minute. There you go. Cleaner. If price is not cleaner, zoom out. Dun, dun. Cool. So right now we have 5 minute sequential SMT. I expect it to maybe stagger a little, and if they're gonna disrespect together. If not, create a setup to bring price a little lower and then go higher. You know. But that's just my current game plan. We'll go by what price presents, as always. I hope you guys can read this. Big enough? It should be. Okay. SMT is SMT. What do you mean SMT is SMT? There's a lot of different types of SMT. Oh, so I think this is like pretty much public information now, so I'll put you onto something. So credits to Day, Trader Day, but he has I think called Quarterly Theory, and it splits up time into quarters basically, and you're looking for crack in correlation between quarters, and that is sequential SMT. So 15 minute is, see how I have these blocks, so this is 90-minute cycles, right, per session. So you know, Asia Open, midnight, New York AM, you see how it's split like perfectly, right? Yeah, you can look into it. I'm not educator, so I won't. I just shoot for fun for now, at least. So I would really recommend looking up content on it yourself. But see how it's like if you split it up in quarters, it splits it up like pretty much perfectly with. I mean, perfectly, not almost perfectly with Asia Open, London, New York AM. So there's significance to that, right? So that's why people go like, oh, I'm looking for previous session high or previous. This just helps you visualize it, split it up, right? And then when you have a SMT between those quarters, there's higher probability. You can also still use normal SMTs as well, but it just helps you filter it more. Yeah. Well, look at that 5-minute SMT. Yeah, that's the game plan. It looks like it might be playing out as the game plan as the analysis goes, but we'll see. Yo, Lord's FX, what do you mean? What do you mean, bro? Get 9:30. I switched to EDM. We'll see. Oh wow. Can you explain the 10 a.m. 4-hour candle? That is very specific. 10 a.m. 4-hour candle. Like what? Explain what about it? Like why I have stuff marked out on it, or like? Actually, let me take a look at this. This is touch. Interesting. I mean, this could be considered a. I'm not sure if you guys have learned this, but this could be considered a SMT fill. So right here, this gap, 4-hour gap. Right.
Yo, what's up, Elijah?
Yo, what's good? What, are you not streaming for Jesse?
Streaming? No, it's Tuesday, bro.
Oh, I'm tweaking. Or first day of the week. I don't know. So this gap was tapped on NQES, but not YM. I've been trying to use it the last week, but I've been a little confused on how to use it to get a bias. I wouldn't recommend just using a single 4-hour gap as your whole week's bias, or like Yeah. I would recommend having more confluences like SMTs to back it up. What's your thoughts, Ethan?
Give me one sec. I gotta ban this guy from my server.
Yo, dang.
He's a scammer.
Scammer get scam. Yeah, fair. Guys, what I said with the 5-minute sequential SMT.
I can't lie, I'm low-key bearish today.
Oh damn. Yeah,
I want to
higher time frame
see.
bullish, but
Actually, I'm just gonna let people join up the stream first before I explain the whole process, because if I explain the whole thing,
explain again.
then I have to explain it again. Is it equities open right now?
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, it's equities open.
My goodness.
Yeah, this morning I said a higher time frame bullish, but I could see sweep lower. So that's what I was seeing. But like higher time frame, as in like higher time frame, like this week kind of thing, not like intraday. All right, I'm putting on EDM. It's 9:30, guys.
EDM is crazy.
Or it's like house music / EDM.
I'm glad you guys are still joining up the stream. Slowly, brick by brick, we'll build it back up. I do have to join my stream on my monitor though. My sound is so low. I can turn it up. How's that? Better? Great. Is the music too loud or is it good? Yeah, why is my stream quality so bad?
It's been, you gotta cheat the settings, bro.
It's like blurry. Wait, my entry. Give me a sec, guys. How many points have we gone already? 50 points. Let me make sure. I think this is everything I need. Previous day high, taken 15-minute, 5-minute, 5-minute change state, no top wick. Kind of psyching me out, I can't lie.
Suspicious.
Yeah, I'll take the stab.
I'm gonna just wait. Since there's a holiday yesterday, first day of the week, it's not that the music's loud, but Eli is low. Let's see. Let me turn myself up.
I'm sorry, guys. Give me one sec. I'm just trying to give you guys my signal.
Blind us any longer. I'd have to see if this 5-minute gets validated. If this 5 minutes been validated, I think I continue to go lower. We'll see.
All right, this is my current trade, everybody.
Or maybe more chill.
Let me try to fix the quality of my stream, though. This is rough. I'm gonna need NASDAQ to speed up here, preferably. Just with YM driving lower, ES also driving lower. If this market was to be bearish, then I'd want to see all three markets moving together, ideally.
Let's see if we can go together.
Man, this is so scuffed. I only got to execute on my top steps. All good though. I also need to fix my stream quality. I don't know if I can do that while my stream's live though. I might have to change the settings. Output. Google best Streamlabs settings for live stream.
Streamlabs, WikiHow, Streamlabs.
All right, guys, I have to restart my stream. So, you guys know what trade I'm in. I'm in this short. We're up 1 hour. Protect yourselves while I'm gone.
Protect yourselves. Oh god. People are gonna go break even, get stopped, and I hope not. I hope not, guys.
Okay, I'll be right back. Give me like maybe not 1 second. Give me like 30 seconds. I'll be back. Great, go live. Schedule stream. Use settings from.
So I'm just gonna keep an eye on this area of interest.
The stream's supposed to be ended, but it's still going, I think. I don't know if it is. I can't tell. No, it's not. Okay, it's not.
Okay. W streamer. Calling back to you.
Schedule stream. Okay, so I got that done. Settings, stream, output. Let's do 6K bit. No, actually, I can't do 6K because
1 billion
6K makes people lag when they try to load my thing. So I'll do 3500 bit rate. Video output 1080p. Frame rate, I'm just gonna keep at 30 because you guys are looking at candlesticks. 30 frames. Feature done. Go live.
To you.
All right.
Risk
we're
free
back.
trade, partials taken, stop loss, break even. Good stuff, Aaron. I am still gonna wait. Because I am trying to practice until it's awfully clear for me.
On my stream, and then think the quality should be better now. Okay, should be good. Quality is low-key still kind of bad. I don't know why. I really don't know why. I have to up the bitrate maybe.
Potentially.
Stream.
Ethan taught me a year ago. I received my first payout and blew my account. I've made consistent progress since your lesson streams and time frame alignment changed my trading. Yes, your time frame alignment is so good.
Are you reading that to me, or are you reading that to yourself?
That's to you. And that's a message to you.
Wait, what did they say again?
Ethan taught me about a year ago. I just received my first payout and blew the account. But I made consistent progress since then. Your lessons and streams and time frame alignment changed my trading.
Fire.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you did it once, you do it again.
Exactly.
Yeah, you do it again. You do it again. Oh my goodness. Paying attention to this fair value gap right now, this 5-minute fair value gap. The reason why I'm paying attention to it, for anyone that's in this trade with me, reason why I want to pay attention to this gap specifically is because it closes below the previous 90-minute range low. So being a time-based level, I want to see this gap hold since it's time-based liquidity plus time-based level. So I typically want to see continuation from these. Above that, we have a London low SMT right now with YM. And so if this is able to hold, then I'll look for continued higher prices. But as of right now, I'm really just paying attention to this 5-minute fair value gap. Otherwise, I'm pretty much out. I'm going to go ahead and move stops to break even now because of this gap, and it allows me to. So I'm going to do that. If you aren't able to go break even, just leave your stop loss hovering somewhere above this fair value gap.
Yeah. Same game plan earlier for me, guys. Nothing's changed.
Does the stream quality still look bad to you guys, or is it better?
Let me check your stream. I check your stream. Let me see.
Yeah, can you check my stream for me? For me, it's like blurry, so I don't know how to fix that.
I actually got an ad. That's crazy. You're getting paid, bro. Payday.
Oh, thanks for the 2 cents.
Yes, sir. Cash out. Cash out. Oh, what the heck? Oh, the link you have in your Discord is not the live one, by the way. It's the one that you ended.
Oh yeah, I changed it. It's because I went live again. Sorry, let me share it again.
Yeah, your quality's fine.
Okay, thanks. Oh, I gotta change everything. Edit. Edit. And then no. Oh my gosh, I'm like spam posting on Twitter because I keep messing up the post. Live on
Rapid
YouTube.
firing.
Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Everything should be good.
Alright, so for my stream, if you guys are still following the game plan I mentioned earlier, if we have close above this or block, I would consider taking it long. Let's see. If not, we sit and wait.
Back to the 9-minute chart, see what's going on. London low is swept. I would like to see a deeper push lower for like a discount or something, preferably. So we'll see how that goes.
Something like that, if possible, if we see this. If not, then we wait.
You took the short, yes.
I got stopped up. I took partials. Do you recommend re-entering or walking away satisfied with what you have?
Are you up? I think my general rule of thumb is if you're up 1 hour on the day already, then just call it, to be honest. But if you're anything below 1 hour, then you're basically break even at that point.
Yeah. If you don't have something in your plan that talks about this, I recommend starting to make something on that. But you could, I would recommend at least waiting. So either way, you shouldn't re-enter right away, no matter what. Just give it a sec.
Facts.
Like, just wait.
Can we can we like collab stream? Is that a thing on YouTube?
I wish. Maybe. That'd be cool.
We can have like combined.
But like, how do you
chat.
switch screens though? We gotta get like a host.
No, it's like you know how on Twitch you can do like shared streams, like group streams or something, and then people just switch between the streams.
Yeah. Maybe something like that. Like on TikTok where they have like half screen. But those look awful. To be honest, half screen looks awful.
Yeah.
I can't lie.
Yes, it's time to start dual streaming to actually multi-streaming. YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, what else? Kick? Stream to every platform.
Screw it, all of it.
Yeah, I'm gonna join your stream on my other monitor.
So that's if we gotta close.
Is it Eli Trades?
Yeah.
Can't find you. Oh, I found you.
Alright, I'm back. I just had to close the door just to make sure
Welcome back.
we have a solid stream experience. There we go. That's the push we're looking for. Let's see if it can continue.
So that's gonna be my stop at break even. At this point, because we have that London low SMT, if we're able to get a change in state delivery with the 15-minute candle, then that's where I'd look for a long setup instead. Because we are inside of these 90-minute gaps right here, which is providing bullish order flow as of right now. And then this trade, if I do take it on the 15-minute chart, it's going to be the last trade of the day for me.
Alright, you guys know my position. You guys know what I'm interested in. Into the gap. The R isn't great though, to be honest, if you do the swing low, I will say.
Explain why you took this trade. So on the 90-minute chart, price had taken out this external range high. So I was just simply looking to see if price was able to dig lower, taking out this internal range low right here. And this would be London low. So YM and ES, sorry, YM was able to take it out. and now I see that there's an SMT, which is why I'm starting to lean bullish since there's an SMT on the low as of right now with this internal range low. So that's the first trade I took was a short idea to London low, possibly into discount. I got stopped at break even for that, and now I'm just going to look for the opposing bias if permitted by the 15-minute chart right now. Since we have a SMT with London low, if we get a change state delivery on the 15-minute chart, then I'll look for that long. Otherwise, I just continue leaning bearish, but at this point, I want to see all three close below London low before looking for any new opportunity.
Let's see.
In next stream, I'm gonna up my bitrate to 6,000, see if it's better. I think it's actually a bitrate issue.
1 billion bit rate, bro.
I gotta type this out, I just realized. Grade 1 stopped at BE. Grade 2 waiting for setup. Nothing yet.
So I'm just now paying attention if it can displace through Asia Open, or if it's just gonna respect it and then continue later. I'm looking at it. Maybe create SMT with YM or anything. Create a 1 minute if anything, or if it's just gonna go. Dun, dun.
Like 5 more minutes for this candle closure. I hope we don't get a sideways day.
Yeah. Sideways stay would be the least ideal out of all the options. Somebody new.
50-point stop loss, I'd end up trading pretty much the same size.
If it closes like this, you guys can put your stop on the bottom of the change of state delivery 15-minute. I would not want it to revisit. Especially with our entry already like this early.
Yeah, and then we can start targeting those equal highs on like the 1 hour, 4 hour chart. That'd be kind of nice.
Juicy.
Previous week high.
Be delicious. Bro, my brother's making a smoothie at this time, bro.
I cannot hear it.
Okay, then that's good. I closed my door, but I can still hear it through my headphones. But it's fine. Damn, you're already long. Wait, 2 of you are in the same room. We're in the same call, yes.
Are you smoking right now? No, I'm not. I'm in my bedroom.
This is like a temporary TP. It's not really a TP. It's just something I'm keeping my eyes on. The 4-hour true market structure shift from before.
Although I do need to take my supplements. I just realized.
Oh, bro, forgot his supplements. He's lost all his power. Still waiting to see entry. GG. Oh, okay. I mean, if you don't have an entry according to your model, then, you know, it's alright. No biggie, man. Oh, yo, that's crazy.
What?
He said Ethan's lady voice. That's mean, man. Don't say that. That's not cool, bro.
Wait, what
I don't know why he said. I don't know why he said that. That's funny. It's just a random stray bullet.
The tone I said.
Yeah. Yeah, probably. Just out of nowhere.
This is why I don't go live.
Yeah, guys, this is why he ghosted you guys, bro. Oh my goodness. You guys did this to yourself.
I don't eat this. I know.
You don't think I'm trying? This 15-minute candle looks pretty decent.
You can't ghost us, Ethan. You can't go. Watch me.
Bro's his daily affirmations in the morning. Ethan can't ghost us. Ethan can't ghost us. Ethan can't. That's his 15-minute closure.
Looking pretty good for the 15-minute long right now.
That's what I say, my word. Hey, man. Okay, we'll see. We'll see if it actually plays out. Trade's not done until it's done. I would move stops to the 15-minute change of state now. Like right there. There we go. And just let it run. Thank you.
I'm in.
He's in, guys. He's in. Oh, I'm reducing him. Oh my goodness.
Let me put my position tool on.
He can't ghost us, Ethan. You can't ghost us. How do you trade?
Honestly, I really like this position here. I'm gonna try to hold for previous week high. I think we could potentially get a push high.
Here, I'll show you guys what
higher.
my...
As of right now, I'm paying attention to these equal highs on the 5-minute. See if we get aggressive price action past these highs.
This is what it looks like. So this is like Eval I'm doing right now. And then I also have my funded on my right monitor. How do I trade it? I don't know what you mean by how do I trade it. In terms of Eval, I do take it a little bit more lax and I do take a little high risk. And then for my fundeds, I have a fixed risk that I just go with all the time. I do longs ever since FOMO. I didn't take the longs ever. Every time I FOMO in the trade, God's punished me. I mean, yeah, FOMO. I mean, FOMO is not profitable, so it makes sense. It makes sense. It's good that you recognize that, though. It's sad some people don't even recognize that, and they're like, "Yo, the markets are against me." You know, like, no, bro. The markets are not against you. You're against yourself.
So this position tool is my trade right now.
If you want to expand on what you mean by how do I trade prop firm, I hope I answered it. If not, it's just, I feel like you just trade it like anything else, right? No, like evals because you guys pass it on time. I mean, first thing, elaborate on time because there is no on time for passing evals. That's my answer. But I do risk more on evals than I do on, so let's see, 50k accounts on fundeds I risk 100, like 150 bucks fixed until I scale up a lot higher.
Now in the same long, yes sir.
Yeah, but then on evals I'd be like,
got stopped at break even,
maybe 300 to 500, probably $300, and that would be how much I'd risk. I'm assuming Ethan and I are looking for the same thing now. Hopefully, we're looking for
what are you looking for?
YM and ES to close above the 5-minute.
I'm looking for them. Honestly, at this point, like seeing how bullish NQ is, I have a lot more confidence long in NQ. But yeah, ideally, you'd want to see all three markets start moving together.
Yes, sir. That's it. I want to have the confidence to risk like 2%.
2% is, well, it depends, right? It's like, what's the dollar value that you're comfortable risking? Like, yeah. I get it, like percentages and stuff, but you also have to think of the monetary value, because if you have, sorry, if you have $100,000 account, you're risking 2% per trade. Are you comfortable with that? Because, for example, $100,000 account, I'm comfortable risking $2,000 per trade. Let's say that. But we move up to $1 million account. Am I comfortable risking $20,000 per trade? I could be, because it's a percentage risk, right? But I'd rather just be like, it depends. Like, where are your goals? What's your end goal? So for me, it's like I'd be comfortable just risking $5,000 per trade. Then I'm increasing capital long term, but decreasing risk at the same time. So you're giving yourself an even greater chance to survive in this game. Even if I endured 50 loss streak, I'd still be fine. So you have to think of it in that as well. And once again, that's the end goal, is increasing capital and decreasing that risk over time.
Hope that answers your question.
Like, everyone's risk management is based on situation. You can It's very easy for someone to just throw around a number. Oh yeah, risk 1%, risk 0.5%. But at the end of the day, it's like, what is your situation telling you to risk?
Exactly.
Like, if you need that $1,000 to pay a bill this month, then your risk management is clearly telling you, do not risk it.
You know, being a good steward, not a good manager of your own money if you're doing that. How much do micros do you recommend?
Nice.
How much micros do I recommend? So, I do dollar fixed value, like dollar value risk. So I guess it just depends on how my model shows up. But on like funded, I don't risk more than like 5 micros, no matter like what, pretty much. Because there's no situation where my model can even give me enough space to risk more than 5. So that's just like how it is. I just do dollar amount. It's just easier. It makes more sense too, because your model can appear a little differently, right? You can have like an average stop loss size, but still, like, it's slightly different each time.
I'm missing Brawlhalla, bro.
The stream life. How do I show this? There we go. How do you risk?
Have you moved stops? I haven't. I'm just leaving my stops where it is. This trade that I'm taking right here is half risk. The reason is because I already took one stab earlier. This one is half risk because position sizing only allows me to... Actually, it's not really half risk. It's more like 75% risk.
Yeah.
So 0.75 R risk.
How do you
because
risk?
Position sizing only allowed me to size for 0.75% or 0.5. All right, 0.75.
Okay, I'm gonna definitely mute real quick. Okay, so how do I risk $150 fixed? So, quick trick. Use tools ahead, right? So create limit order. Let's do paper. Don't mind this. Doing stupid stuff. So let's say you put the tool, right? You want a long. This is where you want to have to stop. You just do $150, and it tells you how much you can risk. Obviously, I can buy 0 Nasdaq because Nasdaq is a lot more expensive. So if I move to micro, right? Let's say I do a 1 minute. Let's say I want to short this. Right? So I'm like, oh, I want to short this. It's down here. This is my model is a present or is about to form, so I put this down here, and then I go like this. I go to my paper trade, and I'm like, oh, I want to risk $150. I can only buy 1 micro, so that's how I know it's 1 micro, right? So then I on my prop firms or whatever accounts I'm using, I just sell 1 micro and then put it the stop where I put the stop anticipated. So yeah, I can calculate it for you. This is a really useful tool. But if you don't, you can also just kind of calculate in your head. So like if you do two, in my head, I know 2 micros is 2 micros is what's it called? $1 per tick. So I can do 150 ticks, right? If I do 2 micros. So this is the size of the stop loss I'll have if I do 2 micros. And I've just taken that trade so many times that I just know this, like, roughly with my eyes, that this is $150 with 2 micros, right? And if you do 5 micros, right, I believe it's 60. It should be 60 ticks, right? Which is very tight. So that's why it's very rare where you can do that. But that would be an example. I hope that answers the question. All right, I'm back.
Welcome back.
Thank you. Gotcha. This is recorded. Yeah, it's recorded. It's all recorded. You can go back on my YouTube channel and watch this. Wait, is this Clyde from... Oh no, it's our Clyde. Yeah, okay, never mind. Pretty sure. Yes, sir. It's good to see you. I don't think I've seen or talked to you in a minute. It's been a hot minute. Are you in Jason's? Let me see. I haven't checked into Jason's thing too in a while. What's going on in Jason's thing? Does Jason still stream?
I have no clue what he does, to be honest. I don't know what happened to him.
I think he streams once in a while. I know he has like Ryuki streaming for him and stuff too. Having family crisis right now. Oh man, I hope you didn't.
Yeah, Clyde's been going through some stuff.
Oh, okay. I see. Well, for what it counts, be praying for you, brother. I hope you can pull through and day by day, definitely go day by day. Dun, dun, dun.
I want to see if Nasdaq's able to jump a little higher here past London high, and then you're gonna want to, or ideally, I want to see YM start speeding up higher as well. Otherwise, you're just gonna have the London high SMT, and that's gonna reduce the probability of this trade.
Be annoying. So this is just. I should just let me just.
So if you are in this trade, you feel free to trim if you want. I'm personally gonna hold. To pay attention to what this 15-minute chart wants to do. If we get a clear candle closure above London high and price continues pushing higher, I'll move to break even. Just stay protected.
Oh, oops, didn't want me to do that.
Because the thing is, for my trading style is when I'm in a trade, I typically just want to see price run in my favor. I don't want to see it retrace. I don't want it to see it start consolidating, anything like that. I just want price to expand in my favor, and that's it.
All right, brother. Yeah. For sure, you'll be just take all the time you need, man. Just be easy on yourself. Have grace for yourself, brother. Yeah, make sure you take care of yourself too. I know it's family issues and it's really tough, but I may not fully understand, but I do know that it's very important to take care of yourself as well. So, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. not a big fan of how I'm acting, but it's alright. We ball.
Oh, okay, dude, you're already in the trade, right? At this point, like we're in the trade, we just have to manage it. Nothing else we can really do.
All we can do is ball. Screw it, we ball.
We ball. Double down.
You double down. Hold up, brother. What do you mean double down? Triple down, we in. Okay. Okay. Yeah, but you guys saw my entry. I showed my prop firm, so you know we in. And where we in.
I'm gonna go ahead and move my stops to break even now. We've created a bottom wick on this 15-minute candle. Preferably what I want to see is a gap being left behind here through this time-based liquidity and continue supporting higher from it. So I'm going to move my stops to break even here, protect myself. If it stops me out, then it is what it is. I'm going to be done for the day, and then we'll be back tomorrow. But whether we get stopped or not, we lose nothing today.
Lose nothing and follow plan. Fat win. Big wins. Alright guys, W pre-market plan. Alright, that's the 4-hour true market structure shift. You can just keep an eye on it, or you can trim. Up to you guys. Alright, that's what we want to see from YM. See if we can keep going. Oh, lucky that scared me. For a second, I thought the hourly didn't have a bottom wick, and I was like, "Yo," and it is.
I don't even look at the hourly chart anymore.
I had to zoom in, bro. So the 4 hour, the 4 hour is just like loading up.
We just hop on here, give signals, and hop off. That's our thing now.
Man, I remember that. We're never gonna give signals.
Yeah.
Take at your own risk, guys.
I like what YM's doing now. However, I would like to see Nasdaq like move in tandem since it is the strongest asset as of right now.
Close, you know, if it closes above this freaking 4 hour Trimonisha shift, all time highs, bro. We going.
Resume.
We going back. Round 2. It looks like not many people
What are the
care.
odds we have a bank holiday low of the week?
That'd be really interesting. Feeling with you.
I probably will hop off here at 10:30. That's usually when I hop off, but I'll keep you guys posted on this trade. But you guys know what my game plan is. I'm just gonna be holding this. It's at break even. My ideal target's gonna be previous week high, but if any, how do I explain? If any like fair value gaps or fair value gaps or order blocks, as they form and push price higher, if it does that, then I'll trail my stop and start protecting profits. But as of right now, I don't see a reason to do that yet, which is why my stop's just at break even. Is it bro all the time? Soon.
You just too important, nobody knows.
Do you take a break from trading? I did not take a break from trade. I just took a break from streaming, to be honest. And I've been really focused on the private students in the mentorship, but now I'm back. Nasdaq went from looking like the strongest one to the most hesitant one now.
Just waiting for the catch up. It might be.
Yep. Yeah, I'll be resuming streaming on the regular probably. Tuesday, Wednesdays, Thursdays.
Excuse me. Just a little pull back into that breaker and I'm entering. Gotcha.
Elijah, are you in?
This trade?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, my entry is. What is my entry? 21250.
Yacht, bro.
So I'm seeing.
How'd you get that?
How to get that?
21250.
I dropped to the 1 minute.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I'm guilty.
Good morning, HR. Might get an entry on gold for me winning. Yeah, I see so many people trading gold. Maybe I should take a look.
Is it clean? People are being it's so clean.
I
it's
see
so
so
clean.
many people trading gold though.
Like, it's so clean. It's so clean. Alright, bro. Yeah, it was easy for me to pull the trigger because this was my original plan since the morning.
Yeah.
That's fine.
That's fine.
Yeah. And the wick up, like the 9:30 candle. I was like, I can't be too married to the short. The amount of times I've done it. I was like, if I'm sort of married to the bear.
I think gold. I feel like gold is bearish.
Damn, I didn't partial. I didn't partial my evals. Yeah, I didn't partial my evals. I partialed on my
Gold looks like it wants to reach for this low right here into this inefficiency right here.
My
and
evals
then potentially creating an SMT with that external range low, external range high, and then go back for the external range high. I don't know.
Lords FX said gold is crazy. She's mad. Gold be crazy. Apparently.
Gold be crazy.
Gold be crazy. Let's see. I want to see when Keith said to long BTC at 103. Yeah, damn. Be eating. Or not really today, but.
Nice, good stuff, HR. I see what you mean. Buy the lows.
Buy high, sell low. Buy high, sell low.
Just in terms of the ranges right now, it looks... Okay, the 6 hour looks horrible. 90-minute... No, I think it's going lower, personally. Because of this SMT on the high. I could be wrong. I don't trade gold, so I 100% could be wrong. Don't let me psych you out, though. That's just my analysis.
See, all eyes on this 4 hour true market structure shift right now. See what happens. You don't know how many accounts you've lost to that pair. Well, I'm glad I don't trade gold.
It is 10:34. I'm probably gonna hop off here. You guys know anyone that's in the same trade as me. Pretty much, I'm just gonna be trailing fair value gaps and order blocks. And then I'm gonna trail towards previous week high. If price wants to start moving higher, then that's gonna be my final target, probably previous week high. Past that point, I think intraday wise, I'm pretty much done with that. So. On that note, type 1 if you are satisfied with the stream. Will you upload new videos soon? Did you upgrade something in your trading? I didn't really upgrade anything, to be honest. My trading's been the same ever since last year. No point to change anything. All right, great. So on that note, I will be heading out here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll go live. I'm gonna be going live Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays. Same as Elijah. So you guys join up.
Yeah.
On that note, take care, everyone, and have a good day.
Mm-hmm.
How do I end stream again?
No.
Oh.
To my stream, I'll be generally Monday to Friday. I'll like tweet it if I'm not or something. But we'll see. This 4-hour true market structure shift holding strong. I'm gonna stream a bit longer, then I'm gonna hop off. Let's see. I don't think there's anything new developed. Everything's the same as we planned, as we looked ever since the morning. So, not taking it unless it's my plan, you know. I'm probably gonna head out then. Not much to analyze, not much to see. Volume slower. We're just gonna. You guys know the game plan. If it plays out, even if it doesn't play out, I'll still post it on Twitter. Twitter is in my bio. Catch you guys later. Peace, peace.